What up, League Gang? Come on, baby, where you at? Redo that. Redo it.
Okay, we'll just cut this off. Do it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, set. What up, League Gang? All right, baby. So, 11 months today. I feel like time goes by so fast, actually. But at the same time, time does not exist when I'm with you. But at the same time, it goes by really fast. But at the
What the?
So I posted a picture and I was kind of upset about what people were commenting.
No, we're not upset. They're irrelevant because they don't know.
Oh, I'm upset.
They don't know what happened, so they shouldn't be opening their mouths without knowing. Like they don't have.
I'm upset.
They don't have
I'm
permission
upset.
to give their opinion.
100,000. Oh my, it's disrespect. Just kidding. No, I'm upset because people think we did that for followers. What the?
You already
freak?
had the followers you had since.
Bruh, followers don't mean anything to me. As long as I have IVETH with me, I don't care if I have 2 followers with me or 3 people fucking with me. Like, dude, like at the end of the day, it's League Gang over all the haters. Like, I honestly don't care, but whatever. It doesn't faze me no more. I just kind of got upset over that, you know, because I was all happy, 11 months, and then somebody hits me with the, dude, you guys faked the pregnancy. You guys did that for followers and likes and clout. And you guys are clout chasers.
No, let's tell them we didn't fake anything. Like, I took the test and it came out positive. That's not my fault that the test said.
And dude, it wasn't even just one test.
It was like 3.
That's what I'm saying. So, guys, it's not like the first test. I was like, oh, hell yeah, dude. I'm going to post it. Because IVETH didn't even want me posting it. So, it was my fault even fucking... I'm sorry. For even posting, you know, the I think it was like the 2nd or 3rd test. Because it wasn't even the first one. Remember?
It was like the 3rd one.
It was like the 3rd one. So... But obviously, we went to get a blood test. But that was after I had posted it like 2 weeks ago. After, huh?
Yeah.
Like, we went to go get a blood test because I wanted to make sure. Because, you know, I had told everybody. And, yeah, honestly, I'm upset about that, too. Like, what the freak? Like, you know? But that's weird. You know, it wasn't just one test that came positive. It was 2 or 3. And until we went to the doctors and we got a blood test, yeah, they told, well, yeah, it was negative, right? So that means she wasn't pregnant. So I was like, damn, like, I messed up because I told everybody that she was pregnant, but she's not really. So I feel kind of stupid. So I understand how you guys are saying, like, dude, you're not going to tell your fans that she's not pregnant. But, I mean, I didn't know how to say about it, like, what the hell, or come about it, you know? Because I just felt stupid about it, like, you know? Like, oh, she's not pregnant. And I just lied. I didn't mean to lie about it because it was 3 tests, like 3 of them that came positive. Well, I mean, I thought you were because 3 tests, dude.
I know.
And we took like 10. It was like 3 out of 10 that were positive, and then
like
the rest were negative. I know it was like 50-50 whole, like we didn't know.
No, it was like
until we went to the doctors, but oh well. Like
it said yes. That's what we thought I was, and then like we went.
But it's whatever, guys. I mean, that's irrelevant. I mean, it was a kind of long time ago.
And people are still on that, so.
But I mean, I don't know. We just, maybe God doesn't want a baby in our life right now. But that doesn't mean people have to, you know, come at us the wrong way and think that we're doing it for followers or anything like that. What the hell? That's kind of ridiculous. Like, why would we do that? It's so ridiculous. But anyways, honestly, that's besides the whole point we're making this video. This is basically a vlog for our 11 months. And yeah, she took the day off for today.
You took the day off too.
League 8, we back. So basically what this video, guys, is the 11 months and we're just celebrating it. And my girlfriend has hiccups. Again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, here, you want to focus more on the hiccups?
No, let's not focus on the hiccups. What the fuck? Oh my god, I think they went away.
Oh, wow.
Wait, let's see. Yeah, they went away.
Oh, wow. Guys, no more hiccups.
Great. Oh, just kidding. They're there.
Hiccups are alive.
No. They're not. If you guys know how to get rid of hiccups, let me know, please. I always get them. They're so annoying.
But yeah, guys, so yeah, right now we're gonna go eat because we haven't ate.
Oh,
We're kind of like starving. Starving, Marvin.
Damn. That car's fast, do you see?
Oh yeah, it's really fast. But yeah, guys, right now, should we vlog there, babe, or what do you think?
Yeah.
Or should we just vlog when we get there?
We'll vlog there.
All right, we're vlogging there. Got it.
Babe, show them what I gave you.
Peace.
No, show them.
Peace, guys.
Oh, I'm missing a nail, but.
What do you mean you got me?
Green.
Oh, yeah, you went like this.
Go like this. Like this. Yeah.
Peace.
Dude, look at my little pinky.
Look at your little pinky.
My fucking hands are huge. Look.
Your hands are huge.
Remember when they were like, your hands bigger than your face?
Yeah, do
That's
it. Let me
you
see.
know, you-
Do it.
you-
Do it.
Stop.
Do it.
If you hit me hard, watch. What the fuck? Stop. Dude, if they don't go away, I'm gonna get mad. Like, they're annoying me bad. How am I gonna eat?
You can't. Ow.
You see? They don't go away.
I'm sorry, honey.
Should I try what I did last time?
Yeah, try your trick. Can I get some vitamin water?
It's gross. I don't know why.
What do you mean it's gross?
It's not good.
It's bomb. What are you talking about?
I slowly read it go away.
It's because it's zero. It's vitamin water is zero.
No, like, I like that one, but that one tastes weird.
It's
Like, I
like
always get that
pomegranate.
one.
Yeah, it's blueberry
The
pomegranate.
triple X is the one I get. I swear to
R.I.P. Rip. Rip.
for real,
Rip triple
look.
X.
You see?
Rip triple X. I miss him. Rip Mac Miller too. Oh my god. Why are we losing the best ones? Why can't we just lose Takashi?
Look, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6. What the fuck is that? Why does it have a cross?
Vitamin,
No, I have this one.
magnesium.
Yeah.
That should sound like a metal.
It has a cross right by it.
Magnet,
You need
magnesium.
Huh?
Wait, what?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Nothing. Look.
Magnesium. It's like metal, dude.
Look.
They
the
put metal
little
in
cross.
it.
I
What
said,
the?
are we gonna die or what?
They put a cross. Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Basically saying you're gonna die today.
It's right there. Shut the fuck up, don't say that.
Well, I mean, why else did they put a cross, babe?
Blessed.
Oh, it's vitamin water with blessed magnesium.
Yeah.
Oh, duh. I'm sorry. I was just looking at everything negatively.
Babe, where are you going?
2 chilies.
Which one?
The nice one.
They're all nice. Which one?
The nice one.
Dude, I'm starving. Go now.
Babe, I wish the traffic could get a little
There
smoother.
is no traffic.
Guys, do you hear all these cars? Vroom, vroom, vroom.
You're dumb. Oh my god. Okay, we'll see you guys there because he's taking forever.
Okay.
I don't know what to buy. Look, babe. The spicy shrimp tacos, 3 spicy chili limes.
Guys, really?
You're a fucking bitch. That's not even funny.
Me? Just kidding. It is.
Look at mine. Look at this.
4 for 4, baby. 4 for 4.
You wish.
You wish.
It's not for more money.
Niggas, that say $9.99. Thank you. Oh my God.
They finally have it. Can I see what it says? It's the freaking pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Dude, it's so hot. It's a frappuccino, not latte.
It's a lot. It's a lot. Latte.
What's up? Babe, try it. Try it. What do you think?
Oh my God.
It's delicious, huh?
It's delish.
Can you park so this guy can shut up on me?
Huh?
Park. It's so good. Why is it beeping so? It's so
Or
annoying.
individual who has a criminal record.
You have to do that, and then you have to.
No, let's go. This one's like
All right, honey. What about these?
premium. What the fuck? They'll melt. It's so good.
Gang.
Let's go. Are we taking them into our favorite store?
Oh yes. Shall we?
Show them? Can you guys see? Can you see my? Oh, it doesn't. I'll show them right now. Who the fuck are you looking at? Like
Who am I? Who am I?
Mm,
You know.
I don't know.
Guys, I'm officially a white girl.
What the fuck? Let's go.
We're white girls, guys. This is White Chicks. White Chicks number 2. White Chicks, the movie.
Oh my god.
Have you guys seen the White Chicks movie?
Let's go.
Have you seen White Chicks?
Like 10 times.
Like 10 times.
Come on, babe. I really gotta go now.
Don't you feel like a white chick with this?
No.
So, am I gonna eat this?
Bring it. Guess what I'm gonna do?
Dude, that's not fair, bro.
You're driving?
Dude, that's not fair, bro.
Oh, you do it. Wait up. I'm not getting ready. I can't do it.
Put on your seatbelt first.
Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
Oh, no, not in here, 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 bro. Ah, not in here. Ah,
Okay.
not in here.
Fuck, I need to clean it.